Are you ready to unlock the secret to glass-like, flawless skin in just 7 days? Dive into our comprehensive step-by-step guide for a flawless glow, where we meticulously guide you through an achievable routine that promises to transform your skin's appearance. Day 1. Cleansing and exfoliation. Cleansing and exfoliation, where we'll explore the crucial steps of cleansing and exfoliation to attain that coveted radiant glow. Cleansing and exfoliation are fundamental to maintaining clear, luminous skin by removing impurities and dead skin cells that can dull your complexion. Firstly, let's talk about cleansing. It's imperative to choose a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser suitable for your skin type. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin using circular motions, focusing on congested areas like the nose and chin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to maintain your skin's natural balance. Now, onto exfoliation. Opt for a mild exfoliant with ingredients like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, to gently slough off dead skin cells. Apply the exfoliant to clean, dry skin, using light pressure in circular motions. Focus on areas prone to roughness, but avoid the delicate eye area. Incorporating regular cleansing and exfoliation into your skincare routine will reveal smoother, brighter skin with fewer breakouts and improved absorption of skincare products. Remember to be gentle and consistent for the best results on your journey to achieving glass skin. Day 2. Hydration and moisturization. Hydration and moisturization, where we'll focus on the vital steps of hydration and moisturization to attain that coveted radiant complexion. Hydration and moisturization play a pivotal role in achieving glass skin by ensuring your skin is plump, dewy, and well-nourished from within. Let's start with hydration. Incorporating hydrating toners, essences, and serums into your skincare routine is crucial for replenishing moisture levels and boosting skin elasticity. Look for products containing hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides, which help to attract and retain moisture in the skin, leaving it soft and supple. Now, onto moisturization. A good moisturizer acts as a protective barrier, sealing in moisture and preventing dehydration throughout the day. Choose a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer suited to your skin type, whether it's gel-based for oily skin or cream-based for dry skin. Massage the moisturizer gently into your skin using upward motions, ensuring it absorbs fully for maximum hydration. By prioritizing hydration and moisturization in your skincare routine, you'll notice a significant improvement in the appearance and texture of your skin, achieving that coveted glass skin glow that's hydrated, luminous, and flawless. Day 3. Nourishment and protection. Nourishment and protection, where we'll discuss the essential aspects of nourishment and protection to help you attain the coveted luminous complexion. Nourishing your skin from within and protecting it from external aggressors are key steps in achieving glass skin and maintaining its radiant glow. Firstly, let's talk about nourishment. A healthy diet rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and essential nutrients is crucial for supporting skin health and promoting a radiant complexion. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fatty acids into your diet to provide your skin with the nourishment it needs to thrive. Now, onto protection. Shielding your skin from harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants is essential for preventing premature aging and maintaining a youthful appearance. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, rain or shine, and wear protective clothing and accessories when spending time outdoors. By nourishing your skin from within and protecting it from external damage, you'll create the optimal conditions for achieving glass skin and enjoying a complexion that's healthy, radiant, and glowing with vitality. Day 4. Targeted treatments. Targeted treatments, where we'll explore the importance of targeted treatments in refining your skincare routine and achieving that coveted luminous complexion. Targeted treatments are specialized skincare products designed to address specific skin concerns and enhance the overall appearance and texture of your skin. Firstly, let's discuss the importance of targeted treatments in achieving glass skin. Whether you're dealing with acne, hyperpigmentation, or fine lines and wrinkles, targeted treatments offer tailored solutions to address your unique skin needs and concerns. For example, if you're struggling with acne, incorporating products containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide can help to unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and prevent breakouts. Similarly, if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation or dark spots, Products containing ingredients like vitamin C or niacinamide can help to brighten and even out your skin tone. By incorporating targeted treatments into your skincare routine, you can address specific concerns and achieve a more radiant, youthful complexion. Remember to be consistent with your treatments and give them time to work their magic, and you'll be well on your way to achieving glass skin. Day 5. Relaxation and Stress Management. Relaxation and stress management, where we'll explore the often overlooked aspect of relaxation and stress management in achieving that coveted radiant complexion. While skincare products play a crucial role, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is equally important for achieving glass skin. Firstly, let's discuss the impact of relaxation and stress management on your skin. Stress can trigger a variety of skin issues, including breakouts, inflammation, and dullness, as well as exacerbate existing conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. By reducing stress levels and promoting relaxation, you can help to improve your skin's overall health and appearance. There are many ways to incorporate relaxation and stress management into your daily routine. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help to calm the mind, reduce stress hormones, and promote a sense of inner peace and well-being. Additionally, engaging in activities you enjoy, spending time in nature, and prioritizing self-care can all help to alleviate stress and promote relaxation. By prioritizing relaxation and stress management in your life, you'll not only improve your overall well-being but also enhance the health and appearance of your skin, helping you to achieve that coveted glass skin glow. Day 6. Makeup Tips for Glass Skin. Welcome to our guide on achieving glass skin, where we'll explore makeup tips to enhance your natural radiance and achieve that coveted luminous complexion. While skincare forms the foundation, makeup can play a crucial role in enhancing your skin's glow and creating a flawless finish. Firstly, let's discuss the importance of lightweight, dewy formulas for achieving glass skin. Opt for a lightweight, hydrating foundation or tinted moisturizer that provides sheer to medium coverage while allowing your skin's natural radiance to shine through. Avoid heavy, matte formulas that can dull your complexion and accentuate dryness or texture. Next, focus on enhancing your skin's natural luminosity with strategic highlighting. Use a cream or liquid highlighter to add a subtle glow to the high points of your face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. Avoid glittery or overly shimmery products and opt for a natural, lit from within glow. Finally, keep your makeup minimal and let your skin take center stage. Use a light hand with blush and bronzer to add a healthy flush of color to your cheeks, and opt for neutral eyeshadows and a coat of mascara to define your eyes. Finish with a sheer lip gloss or tinted balm for a fresh, effortless look that complements your glowing complexion. By following these makeup tips, you can enhance your natural radiance and achieve that coveted glass skin glow, leaving you looking and feeling radiant and confident. Day 7. Final Touches and Maintenance. Final Touches and Maintenance, where we'll delve into the final touches and maintenance steps to sustain your radiant complexion. Achieving glass skin is just the beginning, maintaining it requires consistent care and attention to detail. Firstly, let's discuss the importance of consistency in your skincare routine. Continuing to cleanse, hydrate, and protect your skin on a daily basis is crucial for maintaining its health and radiance. Stick to a regular skincare routine tailored to your skin's needs, and don't skip any steps, even on busy days. Next, focus on hydration and nourishment. Keep your skin hydrated from within by drinking plenty of water and incorporating hydrating foods into your diet. Additionally, continue to use hydrating serums and moisturizers to keep your skin plump and supple. Finally, don't forget sun protection. Apply sunscreen daily, rain or shine, to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, or more frequently if sweating or swimming, to ensure continuous protection throughout the day. By maintaining a consistent skincare routine, staying hydrated, and protecting your skin from the sun, you can sustain your glass skin glow and enjoy a complexion that's healthy, radiant, and flawless for years to come. Congratulations on completing our guide on achieving glass skin. Throughout this journey, we've explored the essential steps and techniques for attaining that coveted luminous complexion, from cleansing and exfoliation to hydration, nourishment, and makeup tips. Thank you for joining us on this adventure towards glass skin. Here's to embracing your radiant skin journey and embracing the beauty that lies within you.